finally revealed. Philips' magnifier engine can slash your electric bill by more than 70%, almost overnight. Guaranteed.
My name is Darren Holman. In a couple of minutes, you'll see how I took a magnifying glass, which my kids used to fry ants on the sidewalk, and used it to power my entire home and slashed my energy bill by more than 70% in under 3 weeks. Now, I know it may be hard to believe, but this may change your mind. You're going to see how an invention developed by Philips Electronics in the 1950s, yes, the same Philips Electronics selling DVD players at Walmart, before they eventually decided to hide their breakthrough and keep it a secret, is now being used by 66,492 American families to provide them with unlimited power, all from the free and infinite energy of the sun.